I'm using 100 ml of sesame oil. Add one medium size of onion that's been sliced. I'm transferring the oil to another pan. The beef has been rinsed and salt has been added. I had 1 tablespoon of salt, and the beef is 2 kg. To season the beef, I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of beef jumbo. Follow it up with 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I've mixed well, so I'm going to leave it to stir fry for 20 minutes. While frying the meat, I'm going to be slicing this vegetable. This is the look of the meat after 5 minutes. I haven't had any water. The sauce that you can see from the cooking is from is the sauce that was generated from the meat, is the beef stock. We have to leave it on until the water is dry. After 10 minutes, the jiggers reduce, but still have to wait for another 10 minutes. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium heat. After another 5 minutes, the sauce has dried, so this is the time to fry the meat. This is the look of the beef after 25 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding 2 large spoons of Thai sweet chili sauce. So I'm going to mix well and set aside while I prepare the vegetable. I put back the onions and the sesame oil. So I'm going to be having the sliced carrots and pepper seeds. My little chef is going to do that. But I'm having some Chinese sauce to be and normal sauce just into this. I will stir fry it. How do you mix up 1 teaspoon?
won't eat right with it.
Handful of chili. Finger. Why you say the chili is not that chili? It's like six peppers. I'm not getting. The vegetable was stir fried for 5 minutes. I'm going to be adding it to the meat. You don't want to overcook the vegetable because you want it crunchy. Add in some pickle sauce mixed with soy sauce. I'm going to be using oyster sauce about 50, yes, about 2 tablespoons.
What the 2 tablespoons?
It's not more than 2 tablespoons. That's 1 tablespoon. Yeah, and the other one stuck inside it is another tablespoon. Yes, I'm very sure. I've been cooking before you are born.
I think I know that.
I'm going to be having a handful of kale to this.
Kale.
Kale, okay. Misinformation. The chili is actually very spicy.
Yeah, she just tried it and she said it's very spicy. So
Alhamdulillah, for the name for the end result of the sauce. And the water is where I'm going to be adding the noodles.